Hi everyone. So the purpose of this video is just to give you a quick rundown on how to fill in the Mechirat Chametz form, which we've put together, this online form. So the first thing is you'll click on the link and you'll come up with this front page. The front page gives you a little bit of a detail what Mechirat Chametz is all about. It also gives you all the phone numbers of the rabbinic team. Please feel free to contact us at any time. If you have any questions to do with Mechirat Chametz or any other thing to do with Pesach, and in fact we are here to support you during this time in anything that you may need. So please feel free to contact us. We are all wanting to reach out to be part of this beautiful community in whatever way we can be. So once you've read through that, then you go to click on next. And next you'll see there is a requirement for all your details. What you would need to do is you need to fill in each one of these fields. My computer is already programmed to automatically fill things in. If you can please fill in each one of these fields. Like for example, here there's a number of different ridge roads in Johannesburg. So I'm just going to put in Viewcrest. Your contact telephone number over Pesach is important because perhaps if the non-Jew decides that they actually do want to acquire your chametz, they will be needing to get in touch with you. They'll also need the keys. So who will have the keys? In this case, I'm going to put myself. This year we probably all will have our keys with us because of the circumstance we're in. If the contact number is any different from yours, fill it in. If not, this is the only field that is not compulsory. The type of chametz you wish to sell as you go down. Let's say I've got pasta, I've got biscuits, and let's say I have some breadsticks in the freezer as well. I'm going to put that down. I then go to the next question. The location is in the kitchen cupboards. I've got, as we said, some stuff in the freezer, and I've also got stuff in the bedroom cupboards. So I keep my secret stash. Then the approximate total value, let's say, would be 3,000 Rand. Very important to put that in because that and it makes it clear that it's a real sale. Now, if you do not have a holiday home, a business, or an office, you would just click no, and it would take you directly to submit. But let's say we do have one. You click on yes, you click next, and it tells us your holiday home address. So let's put a holiday home address in Cape Town. That's my old address in Cape Town. Who will have the keys to the place where the chametz is being kept? Let's say the management company. In this case, it would be, let's say, Trafalgar Management Company. If it's yourself, then it's yourself. And the correct number, 02145467000. It's a made-up number. You're welcome to try it. I'm not sure whose number it is. The type of chametz, let's say you've got alcohol, you've got some pasta. As we did before, where is it? It's in the kitchen cupboard, in the drawer, and in the bedroom cupboards. That's the secret stash. Once again. The approximate value, let's say, is 2,000 Rand. Then once again, we get to, do you have a business or an office? If your answer is yes, you'll go through the same process. It'll take you there directly. In our case, we're going to say, no, we don't. We're going to click on next. We'll say no. We're going to click on next. And that'll take us directly to the submit form. Once you've filled everything in, push submit. And it's all done. Have a beautiful Chag Kasher v'Sameach, a festival which will be filled with connection, with warmth, with love. And Bezrat Hashem, we'll hear Besorot Sovot soon.